How to Get Good at Vectorworks, My Guide to Productivity. Hi, I'm Jonathan. This movie is one I recorded earlier. It's my first guide to productivity. It teaches you some fundamental things that are the most important things for you to learn when you're getting started with the Vectorworks. I hope you enjoy watching it.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. Welcome to my Guide to Productivity. This is a trial for me. I want to see whether I can get back to my old manuals where I could actually embed movies into my PDF files. Now, I'm just not sure it's going to work. So thank you for trying this out. Let's have a look. And I just want to give you some really useful things that I think are going to help you to become more productive in Vectorworks. Now, the very first one is to make sure you draw with shapes. Now, I can draw objects with lines, so I can draw a shape with lines, and there it is. I'll draw myself a rectangle. And if you're counting up the clicks, that took me 8 clicks to draw that shape. Now let's draw the same shape with rectangles. And this is a particular rectangle that needs 3 clicks, because it allows me to draw it on an angle. But if I go back to the first mode, I can draw with 2 clicks, which is so much quicker. Now if I want to draw a complex shape, I can draw those two, and I can right-click and add those together. So that's the reason why we want you to draw with shapes. Now the other thing, if we draw with shapes, is that Vectorworks will actually give you the area of that object. And giving you the area of the object is really going to speed up your ability to count, to schedule, and to price. These are really important things that you need to do in your business with Vectorworks.
Hey, thanks for watching that movie. Now, if you'd like to get more information about Vectorworks and My Guide to Productivity, I'll put the link in the description to my community. I'll see you there.